Hello, students, and welcome to a new chapter of Moral Science, Chapter 6, Caring for the Old. As an individual, as a good citizen, and as a human being, we should do all the good we can by all the means and ways we can, at all the places we can, to all the people we can, and as long as we can. Students, now you were young, and there was a time when your grandparents were young too. Our parents and grandparents raised us up patiently. Now it's our turn to be patient during their old age. The highest honor and blessing is to care for those who need and who once cared for us and loved us dearly. A simple call to your grandparents may give them abundant joy and peace. So keep talking to your grandparents if they are away from you, and pay attention when they are close to you at your home. The distance doesn't matter. All that matters is how connected you are with them. Today, you will hear a very heart touching story of an old woman who was called Kaki. Kaki was almost blind and crippled, and she lay on the floor, almost limping and howling. And she was staying with her only surviving relative, who was a nephew and who was called Pandit Budhiram. Pandit Budhiram had promised Kaki that he would take care of her, but his greediness and love for the money proved him wrong. He ignored Kaki once he got all the money and possessions given by Kaki. Budhiram's wife, Rupa, was a God fearing woman, and she was sharp tongued. Even her sons made fun and teased Kaki. Only one member showed love and affection for Kaki, and that was Lalli. Lalli was the youngest daughter of Budhiram. It so happened that there was an engagement ceremony of Budhiram's eldest son. A grand feast was organized. A variety of dishes were prepared. Kaki thought, everyone must have eaten the food. Whom should I call to bring my food? She wondered. Even little Lalli has not come near me today. Squatting on the floor, pushing herself forward and painfully, she crept near the food. Here the word squatting is limping, limping, or you bend down with your knees. That's called squatting. Kaki dragged herself towards the food, and she had the pangs of hunger that misled her. The word pangs refers to pain. Pangs is pain. So she was feeling so hungry, and she thought that everybody must have eaten the food. And the guests were still busy, but still the guests were eating. And when Pandit Buddhiram saw Kaki, he dragged her back into her room. Ladli, who was watching closely, realized that everyone had eaten the food except Kaki. She did not eat, but she hid the puris inside the basket. She thought, Kaki will be so happy when she sees the puris, and she was thinking over it joyfully. When Kaki ate the puris, still she was feeling hungry, and she said she wanted to eat more and more. She told Ladi to hold her hand and take her to the food where the food was served and food was kept. And when she saw the pile of plates that were lying in the kitchen, she was desperate. She wanted to eat food. She began picking up and devouring whatever little bits of food were left on the plates. The word devouring refers to consuming. Consuming. So she started consuming all the bits and all the food that was left on the plates. And when Rupa woke up and was eyes were open, and she saw that Lalli was standing, and she saw that Kaki was eating from all the leftover plates, and she was astonished, she was surprised. And Rupa was filled with shame and remorse. Here the word remorse refers to guilt. Remorse is guilt. And she was filled, she was ashamed of herself, and she said that she had committed a great sin today. And she told Kaki to forgive her. She said, "Forgive me and pray to God not to punish me." And like a child, Kaki forgave her, and she forgot all the wrong she had done. And she began eating the food joyfully. The values learned through this chapter is that you need to care for your grandparents parents and show your love towards them. Treat grandparents with great respect and dignity. Be kind and courteous. Be patient towards your grandparents as they are old and they do not have the same energy as you do. I would like to end the class with a very famous I would like to end the class with a very famous quote written by Joyce Alston. Grandparents are like heroes and are necessary for a child's growth, just like vitamins. Take care of your grandparents because one day you will be old and want to be taken care of. I hope, students, you must have understood the story and the moral as well. Thank you, students, for watching the video. See you in the next class. Till then, stay happy and be blessed.